What if I told you that one of the biggest health trends in the world is built on a myth? Think about it. People spend hundreds of dollars on detox teas. They drink charcoal smoothies. They survive on juice cleanses. Some even try extreme body cleansing programs that promise to flush toxins from their system. But here's the question nobody seems to ask. What toxins? Seriously, what exactly are these mysterious toxins that detox products claim to remove? And if your body is really filling up with dangerous toxins every day, why are most doctors not recommending detox programs? Because according to decades of medical research, your body already has an incredibly sophisticated detox system. And some popular detox methods may do absolutely nothing, or in some cases, make things worse. Let's see the truth about detoxing, the billion-dollar industry built around it, and what actually helps your body stay healthy. Let's dive in. Imagine hiring a cleaning company to clean your house. Then, hiring another cleaning company to clean while the first company is already cleaning. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's essentially how many detox products work. Your body already comes equipped with a full-time detoxification team. Your liver filters and processes chemicals. Your kidneys remove waste through urine. Your lungs remove carbon dioxide. Your digestive system eliminates waste products. Your skin helps regulate temperature and excretes small amounts of substances through sweat. These organs are working around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No detox tea required. Researchers and medical organizations consistently point out that healthy bodies already possess highly effective systems for removing waste and metabolizing potentially harmful substances. In other words, your body isn't waiting for a $49.99 juice cleanse to save it. But if detoxes don't work the way advertisements claim, why do so many people swear they feel better afterward? The answer is surprisingly clever. Let's imagine someone normally eats fast food, sugary snacks, soda, late-night junk food. Then they start a 3-day detox. Suddenly, they're drinking water, eating fruits and vegetables, avoiding processed foods, getting more sleep, and paying attention to their health. A few days later, they feel better. So what gets the credit? The detox. But here's the problem. How do we know it wasn't the healthier habits? This is one reason detox products can seem effective. People often change multiple behaviors at once. They're not just taking a detox tea. They're temporarily improving their entire lifestyle. The result? More energy, less bloating, better hydration. But those benefits aren't necessarily coming from toxin removal. They're often coming from healthier choices. Now here's where things get fascinating. The word toxin sounds scary, and marketers know it. The problem is that many detox products never clearly explain what toxins they're removing. Think about it. If someone tells you, this product removes harmful toxins, a reasonable follow-up question would be, which toxins? Most detox advertisements stay surprisingly vague. That's because the idea of hidden toxins is powerful. You can't see them. You can't measure them. And if you feel tired, stressed, or sluggish, it's easy to blame mysterious toxins. The explanation feels simple. But simple explanations are not always accurate. And that's exactly why detox marketing works so well. But here's where detoxing can go from harmless to potentially risky. Some cleanses don't just waste money. They can create real problems. Not all detox methods are dangerous. Many are simply ineffective. But some can be risky. Extreme fasting can leave people exhausted. Certain cleanses can lead to dehydration. Some products contain laxatives that cause temporary weight loss by removing water, not body fat. Others can interfere with medications or create nutrient deficiencies when followed for extended periods. Medical experts have repeatedly warned that aggressive detox programs can place unnecessary stress on the body. Ironically, some detox plans may create the very symptoms they claim to fix: fatigue, weakness, dizziness, headaches. That's not your body releasing toxins. Sometimes it's your body telling you it needs proper nutrition. Here's the good news. You don't need a complicated cleanse. You don't need a 7-day juice challenge. And you definitely don't need a celebrity-endorsed detox kit. The habits supported by research are surprisingly boring. Drink enough water. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Get adequate sleep. Exercise regularly. Limit excessive alcohol consumption. Avoid smoking. Maintain a balanced diet. That's it. No secret formula. No magic tea. No glowing green drink with a name nobody can pronounce. The real detox strategy isn't exciting. It's consistency. And consistency beats quick fixes every time. So if detoxing doesn't deliver the miracle results people expect, why does the trend keep coming back? Because humans love simple solutions. We want a reset button, a shortcut, a way to erase weeks, months, or years of unhealthy habits. Detox programs sell hope. They promise a fresh start. And that's incredibly appealing. But real health rarely comes from dramatic transformations. It usually comes from small habits repeated over time. Not overnight cleanses, not miracle products, and not detox gimmicks. So, is detoxing the health breakthrough it's often marketed to be? For most healthy people, the answer is no. Your body already has an advanced detoxification system. Your liver, kidneys, lungs, and digestive system are doing the job right now. The real danger isn't toxins. It's believing that a quick fix can replace healthy habits. The next time you see a product promising to cleanse your body or flush toxins, ask one simple question. What toxins exactly? You may find that the answer is a lot less impressive than the advertisement. And if you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. What's the strangest detox trend you've ever seen?